Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate average in Excel formula. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can say I have some data of student subject score. So let's start. So simply select the cell, go to the formulas tab. In function library group, click on the insert function option. In insert function dialog box, the first option, search for a function. Just enter here the function those you want to search. So I just enter here the in shortcut average and click on the go, and here you can see the average function all are searched. Okay, after that select the first one and click on OK. So here the function arguments for average dialog box is open. The first select the numbers, just click on this arrow and select the range of numbers. So I select here the first student subject's score. Okay, B2 to D2, B is a column, 2 is a row number, to D is a column. Okay, just click on this arrow again and here the range is selected with the, you can see the number also here showing 85, 78, 92, and the formula result also showing the 85 is average. Okay, click on the OK and that's it. Just drag below this formula, just drag with the mouse and below the cells, and here you see the average amount is calculated by using the formula. Okay, to remove the decimal, simply click on the cell, go to the Home tab. In Numbers group, have a decreased decimal option, same as increased decimal. So click on the decreased decimal to decrease the decimal. Okay. The second way, simply select the cell. Use the Control 1 to open the Format Cell dialog box open. In Format Cell, in Number tab, in Category, click on the Number options. And in Number, the sample is showing here. Decimal place 2. You can use the arrow key to decrease and increase the decimal, and you can just enter the manually the decimal those you want. After that, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the decimal is removed. So that's it. This is the way you can calculate the average in Excel formula. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.